In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the system fan. Before removing the system fan, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the Inspiron 7501 service manual at the Dell Support website. Before you begin, ensure that you turn off your computer and all attached peripherals. To remove the base cover, loosen the 2 captive screws and remove the 7 screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover starting from the recess at the hinge area and work your way around. Lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the flea power. After draining the flea power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the system fan. Disconnect the system fan cable from the system board. Remove the 2 screws that secure the system fan to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Slide and lift the system fan off of the palm rest and keyboard assembly. You have successfully removed the system fan. Now, let's see how to install the system fan. Slide and place the system fan on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Align the screw holes on the system fan with the screw holes on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Replace the 2 screws to secure the system fan to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Connect the system fan cable to the system board. Once the system fan is installed, connect the battery cable and install the base cover back to the computer. To install the base cover, place the base cover on the palm rest and keyboard assembly and snap the base cover into place. Tighten the 2 captive screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Replace the 7 screws that secure the base cover to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. The system fan installation process is now completed. For more information, see the service manual document at dell.com/support.